Hey guys, what is up? I'm Nandini, Tech2's resident internet wali, and today I'm going to share with you 7 pro tips for Instagram. Now you may already know some of these, but in this video I'll show you some fun ways to use these features. Let's get started. Now first up is this new camera button on Instagram Stories, and honestly I hadn't noticed it for the longest time. But it's a very cool way of responding to somebody's stories with a photo or a video. Now this cute little Coco. So here I can just send my reaction, add whatever hashtag I want. I can add as many stickers I want. It's like the usual how it works. Yeah, so I can just send it to Coco. Second is this selfie sticker, which sits with all other stickers in the menu. It's this cam icon. When you tap on it, you can take another picture of your face. So for example, I take a picture of my nose and eyes. It's creepy as hell, but yeah, it's a useful feature in the sense that you can highlight a part of your feature. So example, if you're showing off any product or anything you want to highlight in your story, it's a good way to do it. But you can also use it in a very funny way. Look how funny I look. The third is a pin feature, which I feel people don't use enough. So for instance, I take the sticker and I wanted to pop it right here in the video. So I put it here and I press and hold at the position where I want to put the sticker, and you hit on pin. Whenever the video comes here, the sticker pops and then it goes away. I find it really cute and I think people should use it more often. Now, I think this one is my favorite trick of all. It's pretty much like magic. So if you go to the color tool, you choose any color. I'll go for yellow. And you need to tap on your screen and hold. That turns the entire screen yellow. Now you can add whatever you want. You can put a sticker around. If you wish to, I'd add this one, put it here. Now the magic comes here. You select your eraser tool and you start erasing where your face is. Ta-da! So you can add so many effects like this. You can put a GIF in here and your story looks really cool, different from other people's. So we've been all using Instagram for quite some time, but there are some inbuilt features none of us knew about, and one of them is zoom ins and zoom outs in videos. So up till now, when I shot an Instagram video, I would just use my other hand to zoom in and zoom out like this. But you can simply just tap and hold and swipe up and down to zoom in, zoom in, zoom out. So sometimes text play an important role in your stories, and which is why your text needs to stand out. So instead of keeping it a plain single color, you can give each alphabet a different color. So you can select each alphabet and give it a new color, separate color. It just takes a little patience because you need to select and reselect each alphabet, but the result can be quite nice. So that's how you can add a little color to your plain carom board picture. Now final is a trick so basic that people don't even think about using it. So it's as simple as going to your keypad and choosing one of these special characters in your stories. You know, it looks really nice. You can use this, turn it orange, and just like a little art on your image, you can resize it. You can add maybe this little circle, turn it pink, make it bigger, add it here. You can even use these like a frame to your face. I'm overdoing it in this particular picture, but it's just a way to show you how this works. Ta-da! So these were some of the tips I had to share with you. If you have anything to add, share it with us in the comments below. If you haven't already subscribed to Tech2's YouTube channel, do it right now. and don't forget to press on the bell icon